Give your XJ a nice boost and aggressive new appearance with Rough Country's 3-inch suspension lift. This all-inclusive lift comes with everything you need to lift and level your Jeep with an easy bolt-on installation process that can be done in a home garage with common tools. This kit lifts and levels the vehicle, eliminating the nose-down look and allowing for enough ride height to clear 31-inch tires. Each kit also includes Rough Country's premium M3 shocks. These 10-stage variable valving high-pressure nitrogen-charged shocks offer a fantastic blend of off-road action and smooth highway ride quality. This shock offers a long lifespan of impressive vibration dampening. Each kit also includes a set of lifted coil springs and your choice of add-a-leafs or full replacement lifted springs in the rear. Rough Country's 3-inch XJ lift kit features a 100% bolt-on installation process that can be performed in no time flat. Visit roughcountry.com or an authorized Rough Country dealer to learn more.